Welcome to our step-by-step guide on connecting the SolarEdge ONE Controller for C&I to the SolarEdge Energy Meter with Modbus connection via RS485. To begin, let's gather what you'll need. A mounted energy meter, the 22-pin plug from the ONE Controller package, a 0.4-2.5 AD flat-headed screwdriver, an RS485 compatible shielded twisted pair cable, wire ferrules. For the RS485 connection, strip the cable insulation and pick a twisted pair and another ground wire. If you are using stranded wires, twist the ends tightly and crimp ferrules onto the wires to prevent loose strands, ensuring reliable connection. On the meter side, disconnect the RS485 connector from the energy meter. Then, use a flathead screwdriver to securely fasten the twisted pair to the A positive and B negative terminals, and the third wire to the G ground terminal. After wiring the connector, insert it back into the meter. On the ONE Controller side, we recommend attaching the 22-pin plug first. This helps to clearly identify the RS485 terminals. Next, locate the RS485 ONE connection on the 22-pin plug. The terminals are as follows. Terminal 1 is A, positive. Terminal 3 is B, negative. Terminal 5 is ground. Now, push the wires into the correct terminals. The wire from the meter's A, positive terminal goes to terminal 1 of the plug. The wire from the meter's B, negative terminal goes to terminal 3 of the plug. The wire from the meter's G ground terminal goes to terminal 5 of the plug. If needed, note the location of the optional RS485 connection. Terminal 6 is B negative, Terminal 7 is A positive, Terminal 8 is ground. And remember to terminate both ends of the RS485 bus to ensure stable and reflection-free communications. All done. Next up, check out the rest of the videos in the ONE Controller for C&I series.